Good morning again, Year 6. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about today's destination reader work. And we are actually going to start off today with a bit of a link to another subject. We're going to be thinking about some of our science learning. Artichoke Hearts is a book that in many ways is about growing up. That's one of the key themes, one of the big ideas of this novel. Growing up, becoming a teenager, becoming an adolescent, and some of the changes you go through as you enter this time of your life. So, in science earlier this year, we were learning about puberty, this time of change. Can you list 5 physical changes that happen to either boys or girls during puberty? So physical changes, that means changes to the body. And can you list them on your piece of work, please? You can pause the video and have a go at that. Now, when you're done with that, a bit of new vocabulary for today. So first of all, we've got the word mushroomed. I doubt any of you will have really heard this word being used in this way before. If something mushroomed, that means it increased or it grew in size very quickly. So you could say the numbers of people infected with coronavirus mushroomed over December. The next thing we're going to learn is actually a phrase, blow my cover. If someone blew your cover, that means they revealed your identity or they revealed secret information. They gave you away. So you could say that Judas blew Jesus's cover. Now, lastly, we've got the word pustule. Pustule is a small raised area on the skin and it contains pus, this thick kind of liquid. So a pustule is kind of a bit like a spot, I guess. Now, we're carrying on today with Mira's diary, and we're going to read the next couple of pages of her diary. That's why it says Sunday, 1st of May at the top. I'd like you to pause the video, have a really good read of this extract where Mira's talking about some of the experiences she's going through during puberty and how her mum and Nana Josie respond to those changes. So pause the video and have a good old read of that, please. Now, when you're done, let's go on to the second bit of the extract. Pause the video and read this over really carefully. Now, in this extract, Mira is reflecting a lot on what it means to be old or young. And there are a couple of ideas she has here about numbers and age. So I've got a couple of questions relating to that. The first question is, what evidence is there that Krish is a more confident mathematician than Mira? There's a sentence in the extract that shows Krish is more confident with maths. That's a nice simple question to get you started. The second question, look at the paragraph that begins with the sentence Nana is 74 years old. And can you explain what Mira means when she says that Nana Josie is younger than most of the mums and teachers at school? Well, that's odd. Does she mean that the other mums and the teachers at school are older than 74? That would be extremely unusual. Or does she mean something else? Can you explain exactly what she means by that? Why does she think Nana Josie is younger? What I'd like you to do is answer both of those questions on this last page. Now, I've put big red writing here. For question 1, can you make sure you use one of these inference stems to start your answer, to make sure you structure your answer correctly? There's one of these particularly that I'm thinking of would be best to use. For number 2, you really need to explain your thinking clearly. What does Mira mean when she says Nana Josie is younger than most of the mums and teachers at school? You could start off by saying, I think that Mira means, okay? And then you can again explain using because. When you're done, don't forget to save your work. Good luck, Year 6.